Good morning, students. Today you have completed your trigonometry section the day before yesterday. So today I would like to start the new chapter, that is your chapter number 26. It's chapter number 26, that is Introduction to Probability. Introduction to Probability. So it is like you can say in your day-to-day life, sometimes we make some suppose type of statements like it may rain today, means where we have something suspected, it may be possible, it may not be possible, like train may be late, and uh, I doubt can he will do the work. So if there is any suspect, any about if there are chances of doing something and not doing something, in that case the probability occurs. So the words may, likely, unlikely, chances, doubt, these type of words, they show that the task, the things we are saying is not certain to occur. It show the possibility of doing the work. तो it shows कि the task may occur or may not occur. मीन्स जो हम sometimes we used to say, ऐसा हो सकता है कि स्कूल में कोई मिले या ना मिले, ऐसा हो सकता है वो आए ना आए. तो when there is any confusion of the result कि ऐसा होगा या नहीं होगा, in that case the probability takes place. So probability is basically uh, for the situations, uh, probability is for the situations when uncertainty involves in any condition. It is for the uncertainty of the task basically. So uh, in daily life, for this, they started the examples of probability started with normally with a coin. You can see in a coin there is a head and tail. Two parts of a coin is head and tail. We are talking about one coin, not more than one. So in the case of one coin, when we just toss it, when we toss a coin, what happens? Either head can come or tail can come. At one time, only one will come. So probability of coming any one of them is maximum 1. But the possible outcomes mean head can be also come, either head can come or tail can come. But if I am talking about the coming of probability of coming the head, so it is 1, because when we are tossing it once, so head, if head is coming, so it will come 1 out of 2, because 2 is the maximum result, this and this, that is your maximum result, and that is your minimum outcome, sorry, maximum outcome what we want to bring it. Similarly, in the case of a dice, the die of Ludo, you can take an example of dice of Ludo. So in the dice, you can see it is in the shape of cube. It is of the shape of cube, and in this dice you have 6 faces. So the total outcomes, yeah, total results can be, if I am throwing it once, I am just playing and I am throwing it once, so what happens? The possible outcomes, the total possible outcomes will be 6. But if I am talking about any number, if I am saying what is the probability of coming 3, so 3 will comes 1 only once, it will come once if I am throwing it once. So in that case the probability will be 1 upon 6, means from the total 6 results, only 1 times the 3 can come when I am throwing it once. So basically these type of examples come in the form of these probability sums. So you can say probability is basically the condition of uncertainty of the outcomes. In this they are known as random experiments and outcomes. जो I was doing it was a random experiment कि randomly what the result comes, and the total number of results are your outcomes. The total outcomes is this. I hope you understand this.